How to send email marketing messages that matter. How often do you check your email? If you're a typical person, you download new email at least 2 times per day. When running a business, email is one of the surest ways to get in touch with your target market. In the following paragraphs, you'll find many great suggestions that will help you get all you can out of email marketing. Slowly build your contact list. Start with those who have already appreciated what you offer and then move on to areas where you can engage your prospects. It can take a while to pick whom should be receiving your emails, but it'll be worth it in the end to build a reliable contact list. Always proofread your emails. It is important that all the emails you send are correct. Send yourself a test email before dispatching your messages to customers to ensure that the layout and formatting is correct. In addition, if links are included in your email, ensure that they work properly by testing them. Keep your content current and variable, do not just repeatedly send out the same 5 messages repeatedly. If you want to keep people's attention, there needs to be something fresh, or their attention will go elsewhere. If they wanted round-the-clock commercials, they would just stay at home watching home shopping channels. Even if some of them do that, give them something different when they check their inbox. Let your readers choose the layout of your content. Any messages with images, graphics and JavaScript is likely to get eaten by software filters and never seen by human eyes. Send out basic text or rich text format including a link to your website, and the option of an HTML version for those that want it. Using email is one of the most basic ways to communicate with business customers. Use the tips you just read to design the best email marketing strategy possible. Advertising your business can be easy when you make use of the strength of email communications to reach out. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.